Current hex cost for the most part is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in a genuinely huge manner. Hex cost examination explicitly is negative today, or so they in a real sense thought. First help level for hex explicitly is at 3 cents in an unpretentious manner. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will really walk you through hex cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly generally got clarification on pressing issues. What in every practical sense is transient cost expectation for hex, especially is hex an especially wise venture, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hex help in opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the hex specialized examination, generally, let us basically discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in a kind of large manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,071,510,173,848 in a quite enormous manner. But for the most part absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $19,008,310,440, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 48.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is very critical, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,551.35 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, showing that however prior to plunging commonly profound into the hex specialized examination, generally let us in a real sense discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, or so they explicitly thought, various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours. So hex cost investigation for the most part is negative today, which sort of is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.51. Following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time period in an extremely huge manner. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 1.33 and at present exchanging at 49 cents in an essentially significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions certainly show that the market essentially is going in a really descending course for certainly present moment, which in every practical sense is very critical. As of now, an especially broad, especially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which basically shows that current hex cost especially is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days, which really is very huge. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they in a real sense thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become genuinely something else in every practical sense. Dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so as of now, a sort of broad especially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense shows that current hex cost basically is $0.032. Hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move genuinely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense higher in a truly significant way. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The day-to-day outline of hex fundamentally shows that the hex cost explicitly has an especially descending development with a 1.19% diminishing in kind of beyond 24 hours, or so they basically thought. The value worth of the hex coin certainly is remaining at 3 cents with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 USD, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is very huge. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week while the exchanging volume basically is drifting around $3,738,949 USD, showing how the very all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $19,008,310,440 in an especially significant manner. Hex Value Examination. Hex Cost Investigation for the 18th of June 2023 inside a day-to-day time period explicitly made sense of underneath, so various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM especially has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours. So Hex Cost Investigation certainly is negative today, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize Relative Strength Index, moving commonly normal union into similarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every way that really matters, straightforward moving commonly normal and remarkable moving kind of normal to dissect the future development of the hex in a sort of huge manner. In fact, the MACD line sort of is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, or so they especially thought. Hex financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the for the most part day-to-day diagram in an unpretentious manner. As a matter of fact, Hex in every practical sense has an outright closest opposition of 3 cents, showing that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they truly thought. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would in a real sense support the upswing force in an unobtrusive manner. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at 3 cents. Further appearance how the MACD line fundamentally is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid in an unpretentious manner. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers especially betray the hex, in a real sense bears could handle the market and especially take hex cost beneath the urgent help level of 3 cents, which shows that help for the most part is a level at which purchasers generally become in every way that really matters, all the more by and large dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So as of now, a very broad fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense shows that current hex cost certainly is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days. Or so they in every practical sense thought. While Hex's Williams %R pointer truly is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition, a exchange truly signal in a real sense is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, which certainly shows that similarly, obstruction really is a level at which vendors truly become move most certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher incredibly. The general strength file demonstrates that the hex coin especially is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI generally is at 54, which basically is very huge, and hex most certainly is currently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to sort of suggest that the cryptographic money by and large is in an unsafe circumstance that can't really be redressed. So hex financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking especially. Regardless of whether the cost truly is falling consistently, it truly is guessed that the two help levels will explicitly act as areas of strength for essentially and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the very certain zone. Sort of additional appearance how XRP, the very local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 1.33 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in an unprotected